G'day mates, and welcome to Uncle Nico's SleepHQ Therapy Check tutorial. The Therapy Check is designed to help you guys optimize whatever therapy you're using to treat your sleep apnea. Now to start off, let's talk about the gear. There are two options, the SleepHQ O2 Ring Pro, which most of you will be using, but you can also use the SleepHQ O2 Flex, which is a fingertip style device. So one here is the ring style, where you slide right down onto your finger, and the other one is the fingertip style. Both will work just fine. All right. Now, when it comes to charging these devices, just use the charging cable which comes with your device. For the O2 Ring Pro, the charging port is just at the back here. And for the O2 Flex, the charging port is just, you peel this little band up, and then you've got the charging port just here. Okay, so charge them up before each night of the test, and when it comes to doing the test, you'll just slide it down onto your finger or thumb, whatever's comfortable, whatever feels secure. If you need to change it midnight, you can do so. You can just change it onto a different finger, but just do so within 10 seconds. Okay. With the fingertip, same thing, just slide your finger in until it reaches the little section here at the front. And if you need to change it during the night, you can just change it to a different finger. Now, both devices will turn on automatically. However, the O2 Flex does have a power on, power off button. So if it's the first time you're using this device, you might have to just power it on with the button on the side here. All right, let's jump into the check, shall we? Okay, first things first, download the SleepHQ app from the App Store or the Play Store. And once downloaded, open up the app. Now, if you're new to SleepHQ and you don't have an account yet, you can just tap Start Sleep Test down the bottom. However, if you have a SleepHQ account, you can log in with your credentials, then hit the More tab, Sleep Tests, and that's where you'll put in your 9-digit activation code. Let's click Activate a Sleep Test. Okay, now this is where you enter your sign-up code, which you should have received via email when you ordered the SleepHQ Therapy Check. Now my code is 178475005 and hit Start Test. Now if it's your very first therapy check, your experience might be slightly different to mine, and that's because you'll need to enter your name, your date of birth, and some more personal information. And then you'll get to this screen here where it says connect your device. So we'll put on our charged device. I'll put them both on for you. And then we're going to hit Start Scan. Just make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone or tablet. Start Scan. And now it's scanning for the devices. Here we go. We've got the O2 Ring Pro here, and we have our O2 Flex. So we'll connect up to the O2 Ring Pro for this example. There we go. Now you can see here my O2 Ring Pro is connected, and I have a battery of only 39%. That's probably enough for a night, to be honest. However, ideally you want to charge the device right to full before each night of testing. Now we'll tap Next. Then we have some pre-flight checks. And this is just informing you to keep your phone on charge beside your bed and always keep your phone within Bluetooth range of your device. So you can get up and go to the bathroom during the night. Just take your phone with you if your bathroom is right down the other end of the house. And when we're ready to begin the test, we'll tap Begin Recording. Okay, are you ready to begin your recording? Once it starts, please lock your phone and place it on charge next to your bed for best results. Tap OK, and the recording has started. So the idea here is we can just lock our phone now, put it beside our bed on charge, and then in the morning when you wake up, you just tap End Recording, and you're done. Now, once you tap End Recording, it will take us around 15 minutes to process all that information. But once processed, you'll receive a notification and you'll also receive a little green tick up here as the nights go by. And then when you're ready for night 2, same thing again, just hit start test, next, begin recording, and you're good to go. Now, shortly after you've completed all nights of the therapy check, you receive an email with your detailed report, and you can go through that report, read over it, and use it to improve your sleep and treatment. Until next time, sleep well, look after your mates.